This adventure begins a few weeks ago when I crossed the India-Pakistan border. From the border, I traveled to the far-off village of Skardu in the northeast province of Baltistan.
Yeah, I'm Ed. Nice to meet you.
Where are you from, Ed?
I'm from Edinburgh, Scotland.
And we agreed to visit Nanga Parbat's base camp, specifically known as Heligkoffer Base Camp, on the south face. We then took a jeep across the Deosai Plains to reach the tiny village of Tara Shing, our jump-off point.
Prove your identity. पुलिस वाला भी इधर एंट्री करते हैं। ये इधर गेट पे है मेरे पास। Yo.
Well, here we are. We've arrived at the Rupal Hotel, which is on the Rupal side of Nanga Parbat. If we are bad, do we go to jail? Any prison? Yeah. No prison. Good morning. It's 8:20. Well, it's getting hotter. Hello. I'm your new teacher. They're doing their best to kill me, but I soldier on regardless. We're at Heligkoffer Base Camp, which is the Rupal base camp for Nanga Parbat, the 9th highest peak in the world. This is Livia having a Pepsi moment with Mirinda.
The base camp sits next to the Bazhing Glacier. We spent the afternoon at the base camp, enjoying the sun and the sights, but due to the heavy winter snows, we could go no further. So we turned around and went back to Tara Shing. All in all, it was an easy and lovely trek.